Hey, what's up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Got another 2010 Camaro. This one came in blue with the orange color rally stripes on it. But unfortunately, it was hit by a drunk driver on the passenger quarter panel, so we had to replace the quarter, the rear bumper, and some other internal parts. After all that was done, the customer decided he wanted to do a color change and add some new 26s. So we did a color change to all white. See, we got the red bow ties, a little accent. See, we also painted the rims white to match the vehicle. We did the red line on the outer lip of the rims, red calipers, red Camaro sign. Customer, you know, kind of settled in one too much. Just wanted to separate from all the other white ones out there. So he added his own personal touch to it as far as the red. Y'all can see the red bow tie in the back. On this one, my logo is very faint. Sort of blends in with the vehicle. This is the quarter panel right here that needed to be cut out and changed. The whole car was painted, as far as door jambs, underneath the trunk, underneath the hood. All of that was done as well. The rims were black, now they white, with the red trim on the edge of the lip. Also got the red calipers. All the before pictures of this vehicle is on Facebook.com/JOHNSRESTORATION or John's Restoration 2. Go up there and look at the pictures, check it out, see how the car used to look. My contact number is 757-713-2277. From you can see right here, we do insurance claims, as well as audio, interior, custom and factory painting. We also offer government and military financing as well. And I have a 24-foot enclosed trailer. Will come up to 400 miles one way. All the pickups and drop-offs can be added within the price of redoing your vehicle. There's another white one on my page, but that one used to be silver. Two totally different vehicles, two totally different owners. That one used to be silver, this one used to be blue with the orange rally stripes. '10 Camaro, sitting on 26-inch rims and tires. And for all the people with the negative comments as far as the other one we did like this is his vehicle, this is what he chose, this is what he wanted. So all the negative about jacking up a hot rod and all that, if this is what he bought and this is what he wanted and chose the way to do it, that's fine. He don't race the vehicle, he don't get out there and act a fool in the vehicle. He'll cruise, and he'll relax when he's in the vehicle. So all the negative comments is really unnecessary. And if you go on John's Restoration YouTube and look up the other white Camaro, you'll see all the negative racial comments up there as far as people doing their vehicles the way they want to do it. John's Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia. Give me a call or you can email me at johnsrestoration@aol.com.